Welcome in this video. Another super early project with $16 million funding. So only 14 hours left. So it is, sorry, it is, exist long time, couple of days. So you can do it. Okay, just submit your email and that's it. So Lombard Airdrop Testnet we are talking about today. So here is, if you don't yet participate, if you don't yet join our Telegram channel Ranga Finance, check out description box, everything you will get about us information. So just walk through that link and you will come into reach out in here. Okay, so here is, you will see the Lombard airdrop. So here's a couple of airdrop. You see that I do share this airdrop as well. So we're talking about the specific airdrop Lombard. So therefore take this in a specific way. Therefore we are talking about in here, but a varieties airdrop you will got in this channel. So feel free to walk in here. So here we join waitlist, click on there, and here is a little bit page would be like this. So what we need to do is just paste your email in here, becoming early adopter. So those who paste their email here, those who apply their email in here, they will maybe get airdrop testnet. Okay, they will be eligible for doing airdrop. Okay, so here is I'm pasting my one. So here is click join list. Okay, so when I click join list, it says me that thanks, you are on the list. So I'm on the list. That maybe very soon their their testnet or airdrop will be coming soon, and those who are in the list, they will be able to participate on those stuff. Okay, on those event. So it's pretty much, it's crucial to submit your email in here, because your email is your account of potential airdrop testnet. So it is I would say crucial to submit your email in here. So this was the video. Maybe very soon I will see you. So see you later in the next video. Until that, happy hunting, and do subscribe if you feel free, and check out description box for everything about us. Okay.